Okay, that's the thumbnail. So basically, if you guys want to learn how to trade options, purchase my ebook located at wordly41.gumroad.com. The link will be in the description below. And if you sign up with my Webull link located in the description below, Webull will give you 20 fractional shares once you deposit $100 or more into your account. All links will be in the description below. So, an update on the SPY trade. So it is down 13 grand. Basically, it's down 65%. Meanwhile, yesterday the position was down 73%. It was down more. So yesterday it was down 14 grand, close to 15 grand actually. So, looking at SPY on the daily chart. So basically, SPY had I guess you could say like a relief rally today. And that's part of the reason, due to the reason for that happening was because Trump announced that he is delaying the auto tariffs from, on Canada and Mexico for now. And that is why the market, I guess you could say, surged for a bit. And then if you look at it on the daily chart, right, you can see that it used once again that 180-day moving average as support. Today's candle bounced off the 180-day moving average and bounced off of it. So, what can happen from here? Basically, what I want to happen next is that SPY should break that 9-day moving average. Once we break that 9-day moving average, we can see further upside from SPY. Or once we start seeing that 9-day moving average curl over the 50 and 20-day moving average, then we'll be in an uptrend with SPY. But on the weekly chart, it's not so bad. It looks like it's held itself around this like support level around the 570 range. So you could say that this is the first bottom, and then this is like the second bottom. So usually what that kind of means is basically a bullish pattern. So whenever you see a double bottom pattern, it's basically a bullish indicator for a reversal to the upside. So we'll see what happens, with that being said for tomorrow. And on the monthly chart, SPY is holding well above that 9-day moving average. It looks like it went below it, but then it regained the 9-day moving average on the monthly chart. So if we can use that 9-day moving average as support and bounce off the 9-day moving average, maybe we could see SPY go back to all-time highs, but we'll have to wait and see what happens. And basically, just overall, what I'm trying to do is basically step 1, try to buy SPY when it's oversold. Step 2, sell out the position for a 5 or 10% gain or whatever my percentage target is. And then step 3 is just to rinse and repeat that cycle over and over again. So right now it's not looking so good for the position, but I am kind of faithful in the outcome that it could likely be that the outcome is green. But so I have 30 days until we can see what will happen with this trade. And overall, the market was in I guess you could say it was kind of doing back and forth in a way, but towards the end of the day, most of the Magnificent 7 stocks reversed to the upside. And basically, VIX, right? Looking at VIX, so basically right now, VIX is still in that uptrend. It is still in a bullish trend because it is above that 9-day moving average, but you can see that, let's see, 24. I tried breaking that, well, not break, but I guess you could say it wanted to go, reach 26, which is the current resistance level for VIX, but it looks like it got rejected by the previous resistance level of 24. So if we see VIX start crashing down and it breaks through the 9-day moving average, maybe that's when we'll start seeing SPY going up, and then the VIX will start going down. So if SPY goes up, VIX goes down. VIX goes up, SPY goes down. So this is probably a helpful tool, or I guess indicator, that can help you out in a way, let you know when to buy puts or buy calls on SPY in a way. So right now, if for whatever reason the VIX does decide to use the 9-day moving average as support, it could probably cause SPY to start going down if the VIX uses the 9-day moving average as support. But on the weekly chart though, it looks like on the weekly chart, the resistance level for VIX is around 23 through 22. So I guess you could say right now VIX is below those two numbers, 22 through 23. So unless VIX can regain itself above 22 or 23, then that's when we'll start seeing VIX go up even more, right? But for now, it looks like VIX is having trouble. And so looking at Apple, well, the other Magnificent stocks, Magnificent 7 stocks, so Apple did pretty good. It actually used the 180-day moving average today and bounced off of it, and so pretty good on Apple. Nvidia, it looks like Nvidia is trying its best to not break this support level around 116 through 113, so that's what Nvidia is trying to do right now. Google's having trouble breaking that 9-day moving average. Got rejected by it yesterday, got rejected it by today, so we'll see what happens with Google. Amazon looks like it hasn't been, well, it's already been rejected by the 9-day moving average here and here, but I wouldn't say today, because the high reads 209.98 and the 9-day moving average reads 210.52. So we'll have to wait and see what happens with Amazon, but I feel like Amazon could probably use that 180 or 200-day moving average as support. Meta is below, well, it's above, it regained itself. They regained the 50-day moving average, but the next thing that needs to happen for Meta to go up is that it needs to break over the 9-day moving average. Tesla, it looks like it's having trouble breaking that 180-day moving average. Microsoft is so right now Microsoft is above the 9-day moving average. The next step that needs to happen, it needs to break above that 20-day moving average. And that's how the overall Magnificent 7 stocks did today. So overall, when you start seeing that the market is tanking, right, you kind of want to take advantage of that. You want to take advantage of that opportunity, because usually, your portfolio won't always be in the green. It will always see some red days. So that's pretty much it. I'll keep you guys updated with the SPY trade. So right now it is down 13 grand, and basically so far I've only invested 19 grand, so close to 20 grand into this position. Am I worried? Not really. I really don't care what happens with this trade, honestly. This is a public trading account, so I'm basically showing you guys is this oversold SPY strategy, is it I guess you could say, is it profitable or is it not profitable? So I want to show you guys that these type of new strategies that pop in my head. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'll see what happens, and that is pretty much it. I'll keep you guys updated. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, take care. And as always, this is not financial advice. As always, take care. Bye.